Welcome to your new POS system. By now you probably would have worked out, you open the box, all you need to do is just unpack it, put it on your counter and plug it into the PowerPoint, plug your USB in and plug your cash drawer into the printer. Big misconception that the cash drawer actually gets plugged into the printer. That's what triggers a cash drawer. Always make sure there's plenty of paper in your printer. Check that every morning and make sure your printer's on. It triggers the cash drawer. So by now you would have worked out how to turn it on, which is great. And I'm just going to go back a step. And on your desktop you should see a couple of icons and maybe a couple more. You might have a team viewer icon and a desktop items icon or a recycle bin, but generally you'll have two icons on your desktop, one on the left and one on the right. The one on the right is your back office. This is where you change pricing, where you create your buttons, set up your loyalty systems, check out your reports, etc. On the left is your POS system, which is your main till and your main transacting part of the software. Okay, so let's double click on our left icon. Straight out of the box, you'll have two passwords, 1234 for staff and 1111 for the owner or supervisor. Now these can be changed anytime. They're just the standard passwords we put into the system. At some point, and it's a natural progression, you'll want to allocate a password for every staff member and different permissions depending on what they need to do. So as you can see here across the top, already got a few people clocked in for the day, but clock in, clock out is another little video that we'll go through. At this point in time, in this series, I just want to get you up and running and show you how you can log in and start making sales and what the standard login passwords are. So let's log in with our 1234, which is our staff login, and press enter. On the bottom you'll see that it'll load up all the variables, parameters and everything that it needs to do to run on the bottom. Once it's completed, this is your main screen. It's also the takeaway screen. Okay, so from here, if you look on the top right hand corner, you'll see operator. It tells us we're logged in as staff. If we want to change the operator or lock the till and walk away, we click this little button on the right hand side and the key panel comes back up. So let's log in 1234 as staff again. And let's put a sale up on the screen. So maybe order a cappuccino, soy milk, a couple of sugars. I want to give myself a 50% discount, so I'm going to click the discount button on the bottom. Lord and behold, it's going to come and ask us for the supervisor password. So in this case, I will go 1111. Okay, and it gives me the complete panel. Here, I can give myself a 50% discount, and you would only use the discounts off the right. So there's my discount off the total. Okay, I'm going to take that away, and as you can see, because I'm logged in as a staff member, it will ask me for a supervisor password as soon as I click the discount button or try to open a till with no sale or try to do a return or a payout. The staff do, however, have these buttons on the front here that they can actually operate. So they can still give a discount with the discount button on the front. More about that in another video. So let's change this for supervisor. Log it out. 1111. Enter. And now you can see I can click discounts, no problems at all, because I'm now logged in as the owner. Okay, so that's your two standard passwords, 4 ones for your owner and 1234 for your staff. These can be changed at any time, and I'll demonstrate how to change them when we go through the user module, our user video, which again, we'll try to keep it short and sweet for everyone and simple to understand how to move around your POS system. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you for watching.